Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair your Sony headphones or any headphone. Today I'm going to be repairing the WH-H910Ns, which are some pretty nice headphones. However, they did break along the connection with the headband and the ear cups on both sides. So I already fixed one side, the right side, a couple months ago because it broke first, but I still kept the tape on. And now, since the other side broke, I'm also going to be fixing it. So what you're going to need is some tape, some super glue, any kind will do. Make sure it is super glue and not any other type of glue. Now we're going to fold in one side, and as you can see there's a small piece that actually broke off the headphones. So we're going to put that back in before gluing the whole headphones. We're going to remove the tape that was holding it together temporarily. And now put the piece that broke back in. You can skip to the next part if you don't have any broken off pieces. So we're just gonna put it in and make sure it's in there securely. And we can finally get our super glue out to glue everything together. So I'm just gonna open the package. There we go. Open the bottle. And take the super glue out. So you want to hold everything together, leave a small space, and put some super glue on all sides. Just like that. You want to do this quickly before the super glue solidifies, and just press it together for a good minute. After a minute, you can let go. Take your tape and just wrap it around the connection to make sure it stays together while the super glue is drying. You want to wrap it tightly to make sure there's a good connection between both sides of the plastic. And while doing this, make sure not to get super glue on your fingers like I did. So since I squeezed the two sides of plastic together, the super glue oozed out, and as I was wrapping the tape around it, it oozed out onto my fingers. So let's read right here. It says, if on skin, rinse with water. So I did that, and I was able to get it off after a couple of minutes. So I removed the tape from the side that I already repaired a couple months ago, and you can see it's pretty bonded together. However, there is some super glue residue and some tape. So now let's remove the tape off the side we just did. It's been about 10 minutes. I would leave it dry for longer just to make sure it doesn't break while you're removing the tape. But 10 minutes should be fine to ensure that the headphones are repaired. So you're going to remove your tape, and then you want to twist the joints of the headphones to make sure the super glue didn't bond them together. So just twist them for a bit, make sure there's nothing sticky, and then we can get on to cleaning the sticky residue left by the tape. So you're going to spray it with some alcohol and just rub it with your finger. That didn't work too well, so I tried using a ruler, but kind of scratched the plastic. So what I found is good is to use a pencil eraser. So it's soft enough that it doesn't scratch the plastic, but hard enough to remove the sticky substance. So you're just going to do that. It's going to take a couple of minutes and you'll basically be done. Now I'm just using a toothbrush to remove any dust particles or pieces of erasure that stayed on the headphones. And once you're done with that, you're gonna take a microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol just to clean the whole headphones, remove any grease, dust, or anything that's on there to make it look brand new. So spray with some alcohol and rub it down well. And we're done. There are your repaired headphones. There is some super glue residue on the side since I put a bit too much and it oozed out, but that's alright. It won't change the functionality. You can see it's quite strong. It should last more than 6 months. And yeah, there are your repaired headphones. If you liked this video, make sure to like and comment if you have any problems. And if you really liked the video, please subscribe.